Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are trying to copy a large file to your USB drive and you suddenly get the error message, the file is too large for the destination file system, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to fix this in just a few clicks. First, why does this happen? Your USB drive is likely formatted as FAT32. This is an older file system that cannot hold any single file larger than 4 gigabytes, no matter how much total free space you have left. The solution is simply to change the format to NTFS. Before we begin, a quick warning. The formatting process will completely erase everything currently on your USB drive. Please make sure to back up any important files to your computer before moving to the next step. Ready? Let's fix it. Open your File Explorer and click on this PC on the left-hand side. Find your USB drive under Devices and Drives. Right-click on your USB drive and select Format from the drop-down menu. A new formatting window will appear. Look for the File System option. Click the drop-down menu and change it from FAT32 to NTFS. Make sure the Quick Format box is checked. Then click Start and click OK on the warning prompt. The process will only take a few seconds. Once you see the Format Complete message, click OK and close the window. Now try dragging and dropping your large file onto your USB drive again. The error is completely gone, and your file will copy without any issues. If this quick fix helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward, no-nonsense tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.